Hey, is your Discord video call lagging or freezing? Yeah, that can be super annoying, especially during meetings or gaming sessions. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Discord video call lag in 2026. Let's get it running smoothly. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Lag is often caused by slow Wi-Fi or network issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and wired connection, or test your speed to confirm it's strong enough for video calls. Next, close any apps running in the background that may be using bandwidth, like downloads, streaming apps, or other video software. This frees up resources for Discord. In Discord, go to User Settings, Arrow Voice, and Video. Lower the video quality or frame rate, disable HD video if needed, and enable hardware acceleration if your system supports it. Sometimes these tweaks reduce lag. Make sure Discord is fully updated. Lag can happen if you're running an outdated version. Close and reopen Discord to trigger updates or download the latest version from the website. Video lag can also be caused by outdated graphics drivers. On Windows, open Device Manager, Arrow, Display Adapters. Arrow right-click your GPU Arrow Update driver. Mac users should check system updates. VPNs or proxies can add latency and cause lag in video calls. Try turning them off temporarily and test your Discord video again. If lag persists, try joining the call from a different device or switch to another network. This helps identify whether the issue is with your device or connection. And that's it. One of these fixes should reduce Discord video call lag and get your calls running smoothly. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.